What is up, YouTube? Got Kyle's bus here parked by mine. We're already on beer number 2 and ain't squat been done yet, but it's looking kind of barren back here, so we're gonna put something in there. For those of y'all wondering, the stop sign blades here in my Thomas, there's the tail for it right there. It's pretty nice. You'll see it here in a second. Works good, but yeah, Dum Dum wants to waste his diesel fuel and air conditioning, and it's like, dude, it's only like 72, 73 degrees outside. We had a cold front come through last night. So what we're gonna do, I've pulled some more wires out past Halloween, but we got Halloween colors. So we're gonna run 2 down, drill a hole right here, and mount the stop arm. Got some stainless steel screws for them. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty nice once we get it installed. These are all extra seat foams, brand new seat foams from Cypress-Fairbanks ISD that they're getting rid of. His bus is loaded to the brim with these damn seat foams. So, all right, more to come in a second. Also, for those of y'all Thomas people, these aren't Phillips head. They're a number 2 square bit. You use a Phillips head on these, and you'll strip them out. Say hello, birthday boy. Dude's 35 today. All right. 5 years younger than me. All right, so got our hole drilled right there. Now we just need to run the wiring up front. Got this hole started. Got your pillar coming down here, so we're drilled through it. So. Make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to feed down. Now we're going to stick a coat hanger up here, pull the wiring down, and then we'll hook it up to the stop arm. Alright, so we got coat hanger hanging out the end. And Kyle is tape the ends. Make sure you tape the ends to that coat hanger.
Of course.
Get them taped really good.
Of course.
And then once you get them taped really good, then I'll pull it down. Alright, so we're pulling the wire down. Be very gentle with it. And there's our wires right there. Dang, you didn't use the end. That's okay. Okay. And there's our extra. So now we're gonna hook that up to the stop arm, and pretty soon it'll be working. Alright, so we got this thing hooked up. Blue wire, which goes to the stop arm solenoid output on the flasher, is going to black. Red wire, which is hot all the time, goes to orange. White wire is ground. Yellow wire we're not using, that goes to a heater, which we don't need down here. And these 2 guys are going to the flashers, which we don't need either because the LEDs have their own flasher. Our number 12 screws that I put in here, I think I drilled the holes a little too big, so we put small self-drillers in. And the big ones are more for looks. So we're gonna go hook this up front. More to come in a second. All right, so we got our stop signs wired in. There's our ground. There's our hot. Goes to the stop arm solenoid. We got this guy working. Flip them on, son. There we go. All right, turn them off. And we're not shutting. Why aren't we shutting? Oh, because the key was off. All right, flip them on. Turn them off. Yep. Turn them on. All right, shut the key off. All right, good deal. All right, so we're gonna put the cover back on, and then we're gonna start cleaning up inside.